Hi. So today I was on Marketplace, well actually yesterday, and this person was selling some tools, and these caught my eye. They were the Owden #1 and #3. So the #1 was not bad in terms of sharpness. The #3, I guess, was the most used beveler, Edge Beveler. So I wanted to clean them up, so I took my Dremel, vroom vroom, and polished up the brass. And then I took some wet dry sandpaper and this little rod and started sharpening it up. And boy, oh boy, what a difference. Oh, like a hot knife through butter. Unbelievable. Oh, look at that. Just a beauty. No chattering or nothing. Okay, let's do the back side. This is always the toughest because it's so dense. God. Just like cruises through there. Oh, that one's already done. Okay, let's try something else then, hey? This is some really interesting leather. This was, there was also a bunch of leather in with the package. And this has an incredible amount of, I guess, wax on it. Paper towel couldn't get it off. So this shearling got some of it off. And I was real curious. So I took a lighter to this little piece and it just melted off. So I think it's wax. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at that. Hey? That's a beauty. It just glides through there like a pair of ice skates. Whew. Gotta like it. And let's do the #1. Just trim this off a bit here. Watch my pinkies. It was windy here in Vancouver today. Gusts of up to, well, 43 kilometers. What is that, 60 some miles an hour? 5:30 in the morning, bloody woke me up. I wasn't impressed. What's this? Oh, that's the #3. So we're going to do the #1. Let's glide this across the rod here. I find that throwing some water on this wet dry sandpaper yields better results than if it was just dry. I don't know. Okay, let's give that a clean. I haven't stropped these either. I just wanted to see how they would make out. Just the sandpaper. My goodness. My Tandy Edge Bevelers, which I quite like, don't do this. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but quite nice. I like them. Very polished steel. Lonsdale Leather sells them for $38 each, Canadian. Okay. And buying Canadian stuff now with an American dollar, boy, that's a good value. But they get you on the shipping, don't they? So there's something else that I have. I got this at Lee Valley quite a while ago. And because I don't have a strop that's suitable for Edge Bevelers, but this will work. I don't use that. Weirdo color. Okay, so will that fit there? Yep. Okay, let's get another little piece. I got so much, oh, let's use this. Let's cut this up. Nice and thin. What is this? 2 ounce or something like that? Oh my goodness. It doesn't even register, so it's less than an ounce. All right. Like that curl. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up here later. Holy mackerel. See my my Tandy bevelers. Number 2 and number 3. 2, 3. No, 2 and 3. There's no way that they can't even get in there. So this is why I've been wanting to get these bevelers, specifically to do thinner leathers. And boy, they do not disappoint. You know, I'd love to get a set of Ron's Edge Bevelers, but I just can't. I can't swing the money. And especially with the Canadian dollar being so crappy. Maybe that might change once we get that current dork out of there in Ottawa. Oh yeah, this is so nice. Okay, let's do the back side. You know, when I was noticing is sometimes the leather gets stuck in this little groove. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. And what was the other thing that? Oh yeah, she was selling some stitching irons, and they're 5 mil. 5 mil. And there's 6, 4-prong, 2-prong, and 1-prong. I've never, the biggest I have is 3. So let's piss off the neighbors and see what happens here. Oh, that's not bad, eh? Huh. That's pretty good. I could do with a bit of a sharpening. Boy, I feel like a sharpening fiend today. I don't know if anybody ever does this, but it's good to do. Ideally, not having that black paint on there is best, because then the irons will glide into the leather and glide out much easier. Yeah, see, I'm getting rid. I'm going to have to work on that. That will be my project to do tomorrow, is to sharpen up some tools. And holy mackerel, Look at that, eh? All that crap getting off there. Oh, yeah. So I want to get it all the way up to here. Get rid of that paint. Boy, these are pretty skookum. Look how wide that is. Anyway, that was pretty cool. There was also a, so those stitching things were, irons were, gosh, I want to say 60 some bucks. And there was also this wing divider, and it is a small one compared to my Tandy. I guess, yeah, it's a bit bigger. Yeah. So the Tandy one is 5 inches from the tip to the tip, and this one's about 4 1/4. But it doesn't have the round edges, so it's really squared off. See that? See the comparison? And they're nice and sharp, which I don't know if I want them that sharp, but holy crap, they're like needles. Anyway, it was pretty, the screw in here was pretty rusty and not moving very smoothly, so I'd put a dab of oil on that. I don't like that thing on there. It drives me crazy. I took the one off of Tandy too. Yeah. All these little things that stick out. Drives me crazy. Anyway, so that was 18 bucks Canadian. So altogether I paid $200. And there was 2 pretty big rolls of leather. And like maybe a double shoulder. And then there was a whole whack of scraps. So I think it was a pretty good deal. There were some other tools that, oh, I know what I want to show you. I haven't seen this kind of tool before. It's really bizarre. Let's get some of this out of the way for you. These were the other tools that, don't worry, I took the knife out of that, or the blade. Some Owden basic snap setter. And some Tandy stamping tools, which, you know, I have a ton of. That's why it's in this little pack here. I'll put in my toolbox. So, and then stitch groover. Okay. Oh, that's loose. Why is that loose? Because it wasn't tight. But these things, these are really weird. I've never seen them before. See? And check this out. It unscrews. And there's like a little ball in there. I guess this pushes up against. And you can't take this off at this end. You can't take it off at the other end. So, yeah, it's just really bizarre. Let's see here. I can't imagine stitching anything. It can't be a stitching wheel. I think it's just for design, maybe. So that was the smallest one. This is the next. I don't know if you can see that. So, whoop. There's that one. They go right through this thin leather. And then this is the next biggest one. And these are really sharp. I guess someone into S&M would like these. I don't know. Oh, keeps moving. That's... Ah, it swings. That's what the problem is. I don't know. I think I'll end up throwing them out because they don't seem very practical to me. Maybe they're for shoemaking. Hey? I don't know. But I don't make shoes, so I can't imagine ever using them. And that's an Owden. That's $5 at Lonsdale. When I give dollar amounts, they're Canadian. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. Put that in my toolbox. And let's see about doing this one now. Stropping. I got this at Lee Valley. Did I already say that? I got it a number of years ago. I think 2017 or something for 20 bucks. I always write down price tags. I need to put down the year. Okay. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. All right, so I think that's all for tonight. I don't do many tool things. So, oh, here's something that I bought a long time ago. I don't know if anybody subscribes to Leather Tools with a Z, June. And one day he was selling a bunch of tools, and he was in Germany. And there was a hammer. I got this thing for hammers, which reminds me, I got another mallet in this deal. I've got it snapped up on my tool board, so I don't want to deal with getting that off again. Anyway, and the post office lost the hammer. There was a great big huge gaping hole in the box. And there was, yeah, that's right too. There was this T&J Dixon. It's for taking out screws on saddles. I don't do saddles. And then this is a Dixon Beveler. I should put that in my pile to sharpen. So yeah, that's pretty old, you know. And this is a German, really ancient German-made skiver. So you put it on your bench, you screw it in, and depending on the thickness of your leather, you'll have to loosen up these screws, slip your leather in there, and then just pull it. And I tried it the other day because I forgot where I put it. And I found it by accident, looking for something else, of course. And it works. So I've got to put some tape on that blade so I don't cut myself grabbing it or grabbing something else. So it's a pretty cool vintage skiver thing. Anyway, this video is almost 19 minutes long, so I better get cracking and post this. I hope you have a great night and a good day tomorrow and the rest of the week, and thanks for stopping in. Have a good one. Bye.